Welcome to an episode of Science in Slow Motion.
Today we will be learning about Newton's first law, the law of inertia.
Let's look at an example of that.
Wow, how fascinating.
Newton's first law states that an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an outside force.
And in this video, the water stays in motion until it is outside force, which is the face.
Okay, that kind of makes sense, but can we get into this a little bit more in depth? The definition of inertia is the lack of movement or activity, especially when movement or activity is wanted or needed, or the resistance against something moving. So for example, in this video, the air and Christian's face are resisting the water to move. The formula to find inertia is F equals ma, which means you would need the mass and the acceleration, or in simpler words, the speed of something is going and how much it weighs. You multiply those together and that gives you the inertia of that object. I know, this is super exciting, but it's time for a commercial break. We will get back to you after these short messages.
Science rules.
Welcome back to another episode of Science in Slow Motion.
In this episode, we will be talking about momentum.
Here's an example of momentum.
As you saw in the video, all of Jackie's momentum goes into Sean, and all of Sean's momentum goes into Jackie, which causes them to collide and then go into the opposite direction that they were originally traveling. But why is this, I wonder? The reason is, when they pushed with their feet to get more speed, all of that speed was forced onto the other person, so they went the direction that the momentum was. Or a simplified version of this would be, say Sean was going north and Jackie was going south. Since Sean had all of his momentum built up going north, when he hit Jackie, she took all of his speed and finished going north for him, and vice versa. The equation for finding momentum is P equals mv. In order to find Jackie or Sean's momentum, we would need their mass, which is m, and their velocity, which is v. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time on Science in Slow Motion.